Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video guys, I will be taking you guys along with me to do a little light grocery shopping, after which we are going to head back home to do some cooking and a bit of a facelift in the entryway. So join me guys on this beautiful crisp fall morning as we get some things done today. Alright guys, so our first stop is my neighborhood grocery store. I like to get my fresh produce at that particular store because I find that the prices are a lot more reasonable than other places. So take a walk with me guys, it's not that far. So it was such an amazingly beautiful day guys that I decided to walk to my next stop. So I ducked through the park and took advantage of the crisp breeze and the gorgeous fall colors of the changing leaves and the sounds of nature. Okay, so now that we are back at home, I have already put the shopping away. So I'm now going to prep some vegetables to roast in the oven. And I'm cutting up some peppers, zucchini, broccoli, and the carrots. And I'm going to roast them at around 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. And while that is going, we are going to get started on the entryway. So in the entryway, I did temporarily remove the setup that I had with the tables in the entryway. Now guys, this is a layout that I really love, so I will definitely be going back to it. But for now, I am bringing back the console table. I'm going to take down the canvas and I'll be putting up a mirror in its place. Alright guys, so when I added the mirror, I felt like something was missing above the mirror. So this piece that I'm adding here is a recent find from HomeSense. Meanwhile, back in the kitchen, I am going to get started on some rice, and I am using a brown rice and wild rice mix. It's a mix that I love very much, which I'm going to place a couple of cups of rice inside the rice cooker and let it do its business, and then we are going to continue with the entryway. So now I'm just quickly wiping off the mirror, and then we are going to get started on the decorating. And guys, if you are still watching, thank you so much. I appreciate it. I encourage you to keep watching to the end because guys, you are going to love how the entryway turned out. Keep watching. So the rice is done and we are quickly coming to the end of the video. Guys, if you stuck it out with me to the end, as always, I thank you a million times over. I'm going to finish putting this meal together off camera. I thank you once again for taking the time to watch the video right to the end. Take care of yourselves as always, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.